Hello everyone, today I will present my second project and I will explain every line step by step. So let's get started. First line required for input and output like C out and C in, and second line allows us to use C out and C in without writing std. And template definition, it's uh, makes the class work with any data type like int, float, string, and structure for each node in the list, and to store the Ibrahim data and to store the value, and pointer to the next node in the list, and node head pointer to the first node, the head of the list. Yeah. And constructor initialize the list as empty, and this part at the beginning there is no node because it's no. And add function, this part create a new mode and store user input inside the node, and the new node will be the last. So next is here, null p here. If the list is empty, and the new node becomes the head, start from the head and move to the last node, and the name node at the end. Yeah. And display confirmation message here. And delayed function, delayed function. If the list is empty, nothing to delete, and the message and exit function. If the head node holds in the value to delete, and temporary pointer stores the head and move head to the next node and delete the old head. So this message display the cout and exit function. If the head node holds the value to delete, and temporary pointer stores the head and move head to the next node and delete the old head, and delete it from the list and exit the function. Otherwise, search for the node to delete and current node pointer and previous node pointer, and traverse to the list until you find the value, and more previous one step forward, more current one step forward. If the value was not found, display this message and exit the function. And value found, unlink the node and deleted, and display this message and delete current. And here search function, start from the head and position counter, and traverse until the end of the list. If the value is found, display this message and move to the next node and increase position counter, and value not found message here. And print function, if the list is empty, display this message and exit the function. And current list, start from the head and traverse through each node and print node data and move to next node and indicate the end of the list. And the structure this function automatically deletes all nodes when the program ends and starts from the head and store the next node and delete the current node and move to the next node. And here main function create a list object for integer type and to store user's menu choice and to store the value entered by the user and welcome message and program title and menu will keep running until user selects 5 exit, yeah, and exit, and choice take user input for menu option and switch statement to handle user's choice and add operation call add function and delete operation and call delete function case 3 and search option and this part call search function case for print operation and call print operation and case 5 exit program goodbye exit operation and default invalid input handling and invalid choice please try again and loop continues until users enter 5 exit and program ends successfully. So that's it. Thank you. No, that's not it. Yeah, let's run the program. Select and enter your choice from the menu. Let's my choice is 1. Enter the value. Yeah, it's 2. And again, I'm gonna add number and let's say 4. And again, I'm gonna add another number and let's say 6. And I'm gonna delete the number, let's say 4, and 4 deleted from the list and previous and 6 added to list, 2 added to list and 4 added to list. So I have 2 and 6 and search, enter the value to search. Let's say we have 2 and 6, let's say 6 found at position 2 and let's say again 3 and let's say 2 found at position 1. So let's say print current list 2 6 null. Let's say 5 program finished exiting the program and says us to you goodbye. So that's it. Thank you. Goodbye. So so my presentation is finished. Thank you for listening.